Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Ipsy Glam Bag, and it has been like 6 years since I've talked to you guys about Ipsy Glam Bag. It was actually like the second or third video that ever went up on my channel. So yeah, I was an original Glam Bag subscriber like 7, 8, 9 years ago. I started pretty much right when it became a thing. It was $10 a month back then, and I ended up canceling shortly after I started my channel because I felt like I was getting repeat products over and over again. When you're subscribed for that long, the products back then tended to repeat themselves. And since then, there's been so many different makeup subscription services, but Ipsy Glam Bag was kind of the OG. And since then, I have been a partner with Ipsy Open Studios for a while. I've gone to Generation Beauty in several different locations, and recently they started their affiliate program. So they reached out to me and they asked me to be a Glam Bag affiliate, which basically means every month I get to share with you what is in the standard Glam Bag, and now they have a Glam Bag Plus. They also have a Glam Bag Deluxe, I think is what it's called, even bigger than the Plus, but every month I get to share with you the regular Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So the standard Glam Bag is now $12 a month instead of $10 a month, but the program itself has expanded so much, so they actually track what they send you every month now, so you don't get repeat products in theory, which is great because that was the reason why I canceled way back when, is I felt like I was getting the same brands and the same things over and over again. They also have a program now where you can actually log into your Ipsy account every single month and hand select what you want to be in your bag for all of the sizes. So for the Glam Bag Plus and the regular Glam Bag, which I think is so cool because you still get a couple of surprise products, but then you get a hand in picking what you want now. The standard Glam Bag still has deluxe size samples, maybe a couple of full-size products here and there, and it's $12 a month. The Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, but you get full-size products in this one, and you also get a chance to select, I think it's up to 3 products every single month for this bag as well. Now, I didn't get to select the products that I wanted because this was sent to me by IpsyOS, but I'm scrolling through the website right now, and I'll put a screenshot up here so you can see what I'm looking at to see what products you were able to select from, and there's some really good products in the regular Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So the regular Glam Bag, I mean, you have things from Ciate, Sunday Riley, R&Co, which is one of my favorite hair companies, Benefit Cosmetics, It Cosmetics, Ofra. I mean, you have so many good brands that you can pick from. Looks like there's some full-size things, a lot of brushes, Tarte is in here. So a lot of good things, full-size eyeshadow palettes, face scrubs, I mean, nail polish, you got the whole thing. The Glam Bag Plus has a little bit more selection, but you have some really, Huda Beauty is in here. You also have Ciate London, a couple of brands that I haven't heard of before, but this is a great way to discover those brands. You've got Tarte in here, Half Caked, a lot of brushes, Violet Voss, Dr. Brandt, Sunday Riley, Thrive Cosmetics, love their mascara. Also, Haus Laboratories is in here, which is Lady Gaga's brand. I haven't tried anything from that before. So the products are really good. There's a wide variety in each one. Let's stop blabbing. Let's just see what's in these October bags. So the theme for this month, there's a theme every single month, is Your Magic, and it's very Halloween-y, which is obviously super appropriate. And the little, look at this, like star and moon. That's why I wore the star and moon necklace. All right, let's see what's inside. So the first thing I have is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Spray. I have a full-size version of this. It's not my favorite Briogeo product, but I like Briogeo, so it's really cool that they have this, and this is a decent-sized deluxe sample. Next product I have in here is a full-size brush from the brand Firma. I've never heard of Firma before, but that's what's so great about Glam Bag, is you get a chance to try brands that you probably would have never thought of trying before. So this is an angled brush. This would be great for either blush, contour. I have a couple brushes like this, but it's really soft and really nice, and it is a full-size brush. It goes with the theme too, with like the black matte. Next thing in here looks like it's an eyeshadow palette by the brand Illuminati. Again, another brand I've never heard of before, and this, I mean, I'm assuming is a full-size eyeshadow palette. The pans look pretty big. These are good colors, neutral palette, nothing too crazy or too wild. Looks like there's a couple of shimmers, a couple of mattes. I don't want to dig my finger in it quite yet because I might give it to somebody or I might not. We'll see. This is in the color Grand, or maybe it's Enlightened. I'm not too sure. This is pretty colors. Things left in here. I have a Bobbi Brown mascara. This is the Smoky Eye Mascara. Haven't tried this before. I love deluxe size samples of mascaras because I feel like they actually last a really long time for a mascara, like a sample, so I don't mind getting things like that. And then the last thing I have is the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Photo Finish Primer. I don't have this in my collection right now. I might have tried it in the past. I know I've tried the original one that's like the clear base, and then I've also tried the pore filling one. I actually don't know if I've tried this one before. So this is the cutest itty bitty little sample, but little samples like this, these aren't itty bitty, they're deluxe size samples, so I feel like you can get at least a few uses out of them. So for $12, you get a pretty decent size hair product, a full size eyeshadow palette, a full brush. Kind of hard to do a sample size brush, right? A little primer and a deluxe size mascara. Next, let's dig into the Glam Bag Plus. So you have the same little imprint right here. I actually kind of like the bag for the just regular Glam Bag a little bit better. This is more of like a faux leather with like a foiled, and this is just like a fabric bag, so I kind of like the bag on the other one better. Yeah, these definitely look like full-size products. So let's talk about the first thing in here. I have no idea what is in this little thing. It's by the brand La Rousse, I think is how you say that. Again, a brand I've never tried before. This is a great way to try out some new brands. Packaging is interesting. It's like, it reminds me of like a file folder, like in the office from work. Oh, it's brushes. Okay, a lot of brushes actually. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put the value of each of these on the screen so you can see how much all of these products are worth. The handles on these are really cool. They're kind of like a studded, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, like a stud handle, and they're that matte finish. So it looks like we have a tapered face brush, a kabuki, flat top kabuki brush, a flat angled brush. Oh, that one's interesting. Look at how that's interesting. And then a contour blending brush. This is a nice face brush set. I actually have not gotten new brushes in a very long time, so I'm pretty excited about that. Next thing in here is from the brand, I have no idea how to say this, Filorga Laboratories. Sounds expensive, never heard of it before. This is a super smoothing radiance eye cream. Okay, you know what? I'm always in the market for new eye creams. I'm only getting older, not younger, sadly, and the wrinkles, they're a-coming. So I always like to try new eye creams. This looks like it's full size as well. Oh, interesting, it kind of looks like a lip gloss. I don't know that I've ever had an eye cream. Oh, okay. Interesting. All right, you know what? I'm down to try anything. Next thing in here is from the brand Ciate London. Okay, and this is their translucent powder. I've never tried this before. Packaging is really pretty. Ciate London has really cutesy things. Like, it kind of reminds me of Too Faced, where their stuff is just really cute. I've been intrigued by a lot of their stuff, but I haven't tried a lot of it. So this looks like it's a setting powder. I have a lot of loose setting powders like this, and I don't tend to use them too much. I kind of prefer pressed powders, but it is nice to have some in your collection. This is really pretty packaging. It's like rose gold. I like this a lot. I'm excited to try this. Okay, next thing I have in here is, oh, okay, Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. So I have this already. I laugh though because I had to hunt this down. It was incredibly difficult to find at Sephora. I was having such a hard time finding it in store. A lot of them had the sample, but it wasn't actually in stock at Sephora. It took me months to find it. Actually, I think I ended up ordering it online. Anyways, I do have this already. I think I bought it last year, right around my birthday time. So I laugh because now it's in a, okay, I don't understand. But it is really cool that this is in there. This is, I think, originally right around like $39, so that already pays for the bag itself. And the colors in it are absolutely gorgeous. I'll probably give this to somebody maybe as a Christmas present since I already have it, but look at how pretty the colors are. Just super wearable. It's kind of like those pinky brown beige colors, so this is really neat to see in here. All right, I have one more product in here. This is by Sunday Riley. Okay, a really high-end skincare brand. They sell it at Sephora. I've tried a few things from Sunday Riley. I've tried their Good Jeans that's in a bottle like this, and then their Lunar Oil maybe is what it was called. It's like the blue oil. I don't know. Anyways, it's been a long time since I've tried them. This is their Vitamin A high dose retinoid serum. So I know retinoid and vitamin A are supposed to help with anti-aging, wrinkles and things like that. So you're not supposed to use vitamin A when you're pregnant. I'm not pregnant right now or breastfeeding, so I can use it now. But for a while there, I had to stop using it because I just, you know, had a baby. So I'm excited to try it again. This has 6.5% retinoid blend with honey and CoQ10. I'm not too sure what that is, but I love me some serums. I love things that are supposed to help get rid of some of these wrinkles or prevent them. So yeah, I know you're supposed to kind of ease into retinoid and vitamin A slowly. So since I haven't used it in so long, I'm pretty excited to get back into it. This is a full size like glass fancy bottle too. All right guys, well those are the products that were in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I'm so excited to be partnering with Ipsy to bring these videos to you every month. This is not a sponsored video, but these products were sent to me and hopefully I can share them with you every single month. I hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox these. If you're interested in subscribing to either of these, I will link the Ipsy website down below for you. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not going to get anything from it. You can just go to Google and type in Ipsy Glam Bag and find it that way too if you want, but I'll make it easy for you and link it down below. But these are really good products and I'm so excited. So thank you for watching. Thank you Ipsy for having me be part of your affiliate team, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.